I know that many persons who started a faceless YouTube channel did so because they are probably camera shy. They know that they do not need fancy setups. You need just your voice, images, or a clear image, clear message. And they want to do something really simple, right? But here's the hard truth: over 80% of faceless channels fail. Okay, they get lost in YouTube crowd. They get stuck in creating content and they don't make an impact. But there's good news. You're about to learn why and how to turn things around for the better. To, solve that problem of being stuck as a faceless YouTube channel. So, do you have a faceless YouTube channel and it is struggling? Like you are struggling to get traction, you are struggling to get the views that you are working towards getting? Well. I have something interesting for you. There's a good reason for you not getting the results of the work that you are putting in. Okay, so stick around because I'm breaking down the top mistakes most creators make with their faceless channels and exactly how to fix them so you can finally start seeing those. Mistake number one: weak thumbnails and titles. First things first, it's your click. Okay, your thumbnail and titles are your hook to the outside world. Many faceless channels use like the commonly gotten thumbnails. They use low quality thumbnails or titles that don't spark curiosity. So here's a tip: use a few seconds more on your titles and thumbnails and make sure they are bold, direct, and intriguing. Yes. That way, when someone sees it, it's screaming, click me. Okay. So you want your thumbnails and your titles to be eye catchy. They create a sense of mystery, curiosity, and they should also be clear at the same time. But do not overdo it. Not overcomplicated. Don't downplay it either, just let it be balanced. Okay, so this is one mistake that people who have faceless channels make. Mistake number two: poor audio quality. Yes, audio quality is very important. Just because people can't see you doesn't mean that they won't notice your poor sound. Think of channels that are very popular, making waves, and they are faceless channels as well. They invest in clear quality audio because they know that good sound quality um generates views. Okay, so if your audio has background noise, harsh noise, or inconsistent volume, viewers will leave fast. You can decide to get an affordable mic. You can decide to use editing softwares, or you can even use your phone, to record the sound. That way it is clearer and more audible. But the point is your audio should be of high quality and something that would make people stick right on to the end. Mistake number three: lack of value driven content. Yes, the biggest reason faceless channels fail is the lack of value. Viewers are watching your videos to learn something, to be entertained, or to be inspired. So if you are not delivering high quality, well researched, backed up content, why would anybody want to watch? Why would anybody want to even stick around? Why would anybody want to click at all? So you can try using techniques like the storytelling techniques, provide unique insights, and if possible gather tips from reputable sources. You can look at channels like Practical Wisdom or other popular faceless channels. You can gain a thing or two from the way they run their channels, from the values they bring to their channels. They get some tips from their channels. They pack value into every video. And the secret: they always think of every video as an answer to a real urgent question their audience has. Okay, so if you are about to make a video, think about it. Is there anybody out there that would need this, that would get value from it? This is very, very important. If it is not value packed, trust me, no one will watch it, or better still, people will just watch and click off pretty fast. So, what do successful faceless channels do differently? Here are some insider tips from the best in the business. Trust me, I did a thorough research. Secret number one, consistent upload schedule. Yes, consistency is everything. The YouTube algorithm favors channels that upload regularly. So aim for at least one video a week. Don't go on a hide and seek game without even a warning, okay? This would hurt your channel's growth. So set a schedule that you can realistically stick to. Let your audience know what to expect. If you are not going to be able to upload on the days that you have scheduled that you would upload, drop a comment or drop a post in your community post, okay? So so your audience know that you are taking this as a very important task. It's not a side hustle, it's not a something to while away that you do to while away time, but you really are passionate about it. So be consistent. Have a consistent upload schedule. Secret number two, engaging with your community. Yes, even if you are faceless, you still need to engage. You need to respond to comments, create polls, and ask questions in your videos to get feedback from your viewers, like I'm about to do right now. If you have watched up to this point, please do drop a comment. Tell me, are you getting value from what you have watched so far? If not, I would love to hear, and if yes, please do drop a comment. So the more engaged your audience, the more YouTube would recommend your videos to others. Channels like Infographics Show actively engage in their comment sections, and it makes viewers feel connected. It makes viewers feel like they have a stake in your channel, like they are part of your family, even if they can never see or they have never seen the creators, but it's like they know you. Okay, so make sure to engage with your community, even if you're a faceless channel. Secret number three, create a strong brand identity. Yes, just because you're a faceless channel doesn't mean that you would be without a brand. Think about your channel's color, the theme, the logo, the overall tone. Okay, let it be something that you are known for. Are you aiming for humor, comedy, mystery, high energy, motivation? What are you focused on? Define your style and stick with it. This way viewers know that when they are coming to watch you, this is what they are coming to see. Not that they will be confused. Today they would come and they would see comedy. Tomorrow they will come, they'll see mystery. Next tomorrow they'll come and they'll see something else. If they see a video, they'll be like, oh yes, this faceless channel. So create a strong identity that you'd be known for. Alright, let's talk about some quick changes you can make right now. Okay. Number one, optimize your first 30 seconds. The first 30 seconds are very, very important. They are everything. If you are not grabbing your viewers' attention, they will bounce. They would leave. So start your videos with an intriguing question, a bold statement, or even a teaser of what is to come. Make sure you hook your viewers from the very first go. Tip number two, utilize playlists and video series. Yes, once someone click on one of your videos, keep them watching. So they'll just keep on watching. Create a playlist or series around related content. This helps with watch time and viewers are going to stay longer on your channel. And if viewers stay longer on your channel, YouTube will be very happy to push your channel because you are making people stay longer on their app. So having a playlist and a video series is very, very key, and you do not want to sleep on it. Tip number three, track what works and find what doesn't. Okay, so that is why you have your studio, YouTube studio. Monitor your analytics to understand what's working. If one video performs well, replicate the style, the format, or even the topic. Platforms like vidIQ and TalkBuddy are powerful tools for finding out what's working and how to optimize further. You really do want to leverage on this because it would help in the growth of your channel. If not, you just keep making and creating content that people would not watch. But when you have created a series of content, you'd analyze which one gets more traction, which one is are people, glued to, what is people interested in more, what are people interested in more. That way you know what kind of content to create. So what is the key point here? Having a faceless channel doesn't mean you would not put in the effort, you won't put in the work. To stand out, you need strong visuals, clear audio, a brand identity, and content that keeps people watching. Deliver value. But don't just take my word for it. Put these tips into action and start transforming your channel today. Okay? So if you are ready to breathe new life into your faceless channel, start by implementing just one of these tips today. Let me know in the comment section which mistakes you think you would first tackle, or if there's another challenge you are facing. And if this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. And then turn on that notification bell so you do not miss out on my other channels. I'll be here every week, Monday and Friday, with more tips to help you grow your channel. Thank you for watching again. Bye.